MySQL Workbench root. Now I open, and here is the administration and Schema. There is two folders. So when I click Schema, then I see my database, all database name. This is my one database. So I need to import backup file. Go my Workbench software to see the input. You can use this, but I think this is best. Just click Schema, then here is your database list, then you top your menu bar, click server, then you click this data import, and here is the various options. Select this folder import, browse this three-dot icon, then you will go your drive where you save your database. So select this folder, and okay, yeah, see when I upload this, you can already see the your database. So the next step, import database. So where is import? I cannot see this import file, and follow this dialog bar is on, so you hide this off, and here is the input file, but I can see because my monitor is not big, and this Windows bar hidden my input folder. So this check and uncheck. So when this unchecked, I will lose my database name. So this check and have the problem import file. So what can I do? At this moment, I can hide my Windows tracks. So select your Windows, then right button clicks taskbar settings, and you see the taskbar behavior. So open this and see the automatically hide taskbar. Just select this and minimize this taskbar and save. Here is the import file. Then here is the problem, because I did not create database name. So this is my database name is already showing this database name. So at first I need to create database name. So here is the your database Schema target name. So click this import single folder, click this new tab, and here is the type your database name. You already see the your database name is my database name underscore as it. You see your database name. So this is my database name, and okay, and here drop down menu, this is my old database. So this is my main database name. Now you select again, you back your folder selection, because I upload my full folder, then press import. Yeah, import complete, meaning I successfully imported my database. And here is the refresh button, click refresh, then you will see database. Yeah, this is my database. So I hope you already successfully install your database. So if you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel, and you can also comment your opinion. So thank you.